Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my new video. If you guys are new here, thank you so much for clicking on my video because my pictures I still feel incredibly awkward doing them. I don't know if I'm ever going to get used to it. And if you end up liking this video, make sure that you subscribe. Okay, so what am I going to be doing today? I'm going to be doing an unboxing. It is going to be my December Boxycharm, and it's going to be the premium box. So the theme of the card that comes in the box, I'm going to show it to you in a second, is "'Tis the season for being an extra," and I can completely get behind that. So here is the card. Now this box does cost $40 a month, and that does not include any of the taxes or fees with that. Okay, the first item I got in my box is by Corez, and it's the Super Dose face mask. So let me get this lined up. And this has a retail value of $52, and it says a few things on this card. It's Super Dose Greek yogurt face mask that is supposed to totally reset your skin in less than 10 minutes. And I'm happy this is on here because I've been kind of slacking on my face mask. I've been extremely busy. I think everybody is this time of year, and I need to start doing face masks. I want to start taking care of myself. I'm already setting that as my January goal. Okay, so let's go ahead and smell it. Okay, it's a very, very light scent. It's not overpowering at all. It smells like the spa. And I want to show you the cream, what it looks like. So it's just a standard white cream. Blends in very nice, and I'm all for having my skin reset in 10 minutes because that is no time whatsoever. I usually leave skin masks on for about 30 minutes. Unless it's a clay mask, then it's less than 10. Okay, the second item, I actually tried this one. So here it is. This is the Grown Alchemist, and this is an anti-pollution primer, and it has a retail value of $42. Now, me using it, it was incredibly silky once it dried, but this is incredibly fast drying. So when you do it, put some here, 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 and here, and then rub it in, because I had to use so much more than I should have because it kept drying so fast on me. So just as a warning on it. But my makeup looks amazing. I have been wearing it about 4 hours, and I'm really impressed. So I'm glad this is in the box. Let me see if there's anything on the card that I did not mention. So it says it's lightweight hydrating gel primer. It has bioactive botanicals in it. I'm not sure what that means. And it's supposed to help, of course, of the anti-pollution blue light. And I don't know if you know this, the biggest blue light is the sun. A lot of people think it's computer screens, your cell phone when you're looking at it, but the sun does give blue light. That is the biggest source. So I've been trying to get into anti-pollution primers because that's my favorite way of using them. Okay, so the third item, we need to talk about it. When I opened up the box and I saw this sitting there, my heart skipped a beat because I ran out of this product. It was time to buy a new one. And this is a bomb cleanser. So this is the Glow Recipe Makeup Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. This has a retail value of $32, and I have a series. It is the Makeup Melt-Off series, and what I do is I come out decked in makeup, full face, and I test out drugstore, high-end, and you can really watch them perform or not perform. So you kind of get a good idea if a cleansing balm is worth spending the money on. So make sure you check that out. Amazing, by the way. Okay. The fourth item is going to be a makeup item. This is by Huda Beauty, and this is the Demi Matte Cream Liquid Lipstick. It has a retail value of $21, and I like this because it's kind of like a satin lipstick and a liquid lipstick mixed together. So a ordinary liquid lipstick I cannot wear. It will completely dry out my lips. They will look like little raisins. This I can wear every single day. I do have 2 other shades. That's why I'm raving about it so much. Now, if you eat or drink, it's not going to stay put. But just going out during your normal day, talking and things like that, it's going to stay put. Your lips are going to look moisturized. They are going to look plump. I'm really happy with it. I'm wearing it right now, and I think it is beautiful. It is in the shade Game Changer, and I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch for you. If you tried her original one and you did not like it, I'm telling you, try this one. Okay, so the next item is going to be a setting spray. This is by Ciate London, and it's a watermelon dewy setting spray. And this, first of all, I like watermelon, but it could be really good or it could smell funky. This smells really good. I like it. I did try it out for you, and I liked it a lot. So this has a retail value of $22. Now, the mist on here is about a medium. It is not very fine, but it's not a water hose. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. So make sure it's pulled back a little bit because I don't want you to ruin your makeup. But I used it today and I'm happy with it. It looks really, really pretty. We are on the final item already, so this is going to be a twofer, and this is going to be 2 gel eyeliners. It is by the brand Beauty for Certain, and it's the perfect collab. Has a retail value of $38, and on here it says it's a new launch. Now, I did try these little things out, and I have some thoughts. So the copper one, I'm going to do a swatch for you, and I'm really digging it in. So here's the swatch. You can barely see it, but on your lower lash line, you cannot see it whatsoever. I mean, I went back and forth 15 times and I could not see anything. So was not happy with that. I even tried it at the inner corner and I really pressed hard because I was like, okay, that can take more pressure. So I'm going to really try to get it on there because I think it would be pretty if it worked. So dud for me, garbage. And then this at first try, I really liked it. So this is the navy shade. And you're going to be able to see the swatch is gorgeous. But when I put it on, so what I do is I take eyeliner, the dark eyeliner, it's either navy blue or black, and I put it at the outer corner of my eyes, and it really makes my eyes pop. 30 minutes after I put it on, it started wearing off already. Now, I do have watery eyes, but I'm not going to trust an eyeliner that does not last through 30 minutes. So if you want to take the chance, go ahead, but throughout the day when you're running around, I think that's going to wear off anybody's eyes, but that's just my 2 cents. Okay, adding all my items together, my box total value is $207. Do I think this box is worth it? Yes, I do. The only dud were these. Everything else I was really happy with. Now, I always like to pick my favorite. I am not going with my cleansing balm because I really like this face mask. It reminded me to take care of myself, that I have been slacking on my skincare and my face mask. So this is a reminder. I got all my holiday shopping done. Everything is done. I've been taking care of everybody else. Now it's time to take care of myself. And you need to take care of yourself too, because we need to put ourselves first, because we don't do that enough, in my opinion. But we made it to the end of the video. If you stuck around, you guys are freaking amazing. I love you to pieces. And we're going to end it with my favorite time, your favorite time, Burr baby time. Let's get some. Here is the very pretty Princess Sugar Bear. She's sending all her love and kisses your way. You guys are our favorites. We love you to pieces. But I have a serious question as she's yawning. She has been sleeping by my feet the entire time. Usually she's trying to jump up and get in my lap, and it is so distracting the entire video she does it. But question, do you think Miss Princess Sugar Bear is cute, or the beagle painting in the background? I know every one of you have told me you think it's so cute, and you asked what kind of dog it is. So I'm gonna get my big head out of the way, and my son bought me this for my birthday. All right, guys, I love you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.